In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform an object into curves and make precise adjustments to its nodes. This process is especially useful when you're working with shapes and need to customize them beyond their default settings. To begin, if you're dealing with a standard shape like a rectangle or an ellipse and need to edit its nodes, you'll have to convert it to curves. This is an essential first step because, without conversion, the nodes simply won't appear for you to edit. To do this, go to the Layer menu and select Convert to Curves. This action changes your shape from a fixed object to a more flexible path that you can manipulate. Next, you'll want to select the Node tool. You can find this in your toolbar or simply hit the shortcut key A. This tool enables you to start editing the nodes of your path or curve. Once you've activated the Node tool, it's time to choose the nodes you want to work with. You can click on a single node to select it, or shift-click to select multiple nodes simultaneously. If you prefer, you can also click and drag to create a marquee around the nodes you wish to transform. For non-adjacent nodes, just use Shift and click on each individual node. Now, for the next step, look for the Transform Mode option, which you'll find in the Context toolbar when your Node tool is active. Activating Transform Mode introduces a selection box around the nodes you have chosen. This selection box allows you to focus your transformations on just those nodes rather than the entire object, giving you finer control over your edits. With Transform Mode on, you can begin transforming the nodes using the handles or the selection box. For scaling, drag the handles to make your selected nodes bigger or smaller. This scaling is relative to an anchor point, which helps maintain your design's proportions. To rotate your selection, move your cursor near a corner of the selection box until you see a curved rotate handle, and then drag it around to achieve your desired angle. If you wish to skew or shear the nodes, you can do this by dragging the side handles of the selection box, which will distort the path in an interesting way. For those who prefer precision, the Transform panel offers numerical inputs for X and Y positions, width, height, rotation, and shear. These options come in handy when you need exact specifications. There may be times when you need to adjust the anchor point or the origin around which your transformations occur. This can be managed by moving the anchor point within the selection box or adjusting it through the Transform panel, allowing for rotational or scaling transformations just where you want them. Finally, once you've completed your transformations, you can exit Transform Mode. To continue editing individual nodes, handles, or segments, just uncheck Transform Mode. Don't forget to save your document or export your work when you're satisfied with the changes. And there you have it, an efficient way to convert objects to curves and customize them with precision.